Hiya folks, this thing is pouring in water in the passenger footwells and we got to get this sorted. Right, this has been happening for a while now. When it pours down with rain, you go to the passenger footwell and it's absolutely sodden with water to the extent where it's even running through the back. Let me show you. Right, well, coming in here, Sharon's done a little makeshift job by putting bags down and towels and that. When we come back off our holiday, this was literally swimming. There was probably about an inch, near enough an inch worth of water there. We was away for 14 days or whatever. This was absolutely sodden, so I went to a garage afterwards and sucked all the water out, but it was literally sodden in there. And also, when you come into the back, it had also worked its way into the back footwell as well, so this has got to be sorted out. Now, I initially thought it was these door seals. As you can see, these rubbers have gone here. I will change them, but I don't think, it definitely isn't coming in through there. I think it's coming through the back there, and all I can imagine is that the drain for this lot must be blocked in there somewhere, and it's building up and coming in through the inside where the fan vent is. So I'm just going to start stripping this down now by taking that strip off there. And there is a flap it on, as you can see there, look. There's the pollen filter there, which that does need changing as well. I haven't got one, but I will have to do that. And I can see straight away there, the vents are blocked. Let me show you, try and get a light on, hold on. Now, can you see down there, that little rubber bung thing? That, believe it or not, is the drain plug. And that is what is blocked and allowing this chamber here to fill up with water. And then it creeps into behind here, behind the pollen filter, and then into the car. And that is a situation we've got to cure. So what I'm going to basically try and do is from underneath, I can get my hand right underneath it, and I'm just going to pull it out. Look at that, look, there we go, pulled it out, look. And there we go, I've just pulled it out from underneath, from under there, look. And that is a stupid design, because although you've got a big hole with no grill on the top of it, filling where water can flow into, look underneath, look at that. Stupid little, there's no way the water's going to travel through there. So I'm not only going to empty that out, like that, I'm not even going to put that back in. I'm going to leave it out. And as you can probably see there now, we've got a lovely big hole now, so we should have cured that problem. I don't know whether there's one on the other side. I'm not too sure. All I can see is that this little flap there has got a tear in it there and a tear in it there. So is that supposed to just come up to let you gain access there? I presume it is. So I know now that I'm also going to get a pollen filter as well. I'll leave it in there for the moment, just stop it saving some big, sucking in some big leaves. But there you go, that apparently is going to cure the job, and it's that simple. So all you have to do then is obviously just replace your rubber. Right, so I've just replaced that rubber strip on there, and that's literally what holds that in place. So that is the cause of all that water in there, and that's stupid. Normally, as I say, that's, look, like that, little thin thing like that. Great big hole, which is going to get plugged up with leaves, because you do get leaves fall through there, and that's exactly what's happened here. So that is your problem. If you've got water in your footwell, in your Vauxhall Vectra C, pull that thing out. You don't need that in there. Get rid of it. That's your problem. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.